Today, you've got to eat healthy muffins. Hi everyone. Today, I'm changing it up. I'm baking. I've got two great, healthy, easy and delicious muffin recipes for you. First up is breakfast egg muffins. You can pimp these up with all sorts of great toppings and they make an excellent on-the-go start for your busy day. The second recipe are peanut butter and banana muffins, a guilt-free pleasure which make a fantastic snack to power up a busy day. Let's rock! Here are the ingredients you'll need. Prepare the muffin fillings. Mushroom and feta cheese. Sun-dried tomato and spinach. Bacon and cheddar cheese. Smoked salmon and chives. Break a dozen eggs into a bowl. Whisk until it's a smooth batter. Season with pepper and add the chives. Grease a muffin tin and add the fillings. Pour the batter into the muffin tin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees C. Bake the muffins for 18 to 20 minutes. For the peanut butter and banana muffins, mash 2 ripe bananas in a bowl. To the banana, add 1 cup of natural peanut butter. half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a quarter cup of maple syrup, and 2 eggs. Fold the ingredients to combine before whisking into a smooth batter. The breakfast egg muffins are ready. They look great. Fill a muffin tin with casings. You can grease the casings if you wish. Evenly distribute the batter to the casings. To make them even more delicious, you can add choc chips. Put the muffins into a preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are ready. Yum! These muffins tick a lot of boxes. Add a fruit platter and you've got a perfect brunch for all your friends. You know what time it is? It's gotta eat time. Let's try these muffins. Let's try the banana muffin. It's delicious. Right, thumbs up from G2. Let's try the egg muffin now. We'll go with one with bacon. Oh yeah. Delicious. Yeah, baby. There you have it. 2 great muffin recipes that are healthy, easy and delicious. You really must try them. Help me get this channel pumping, give me a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Give me a comment, I'd love to hear what you've got to say. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao.